YouTube, this is Don from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the TM haul. And I post everything on Instagram ahead of time at DaretoBeCreative1, because my videos are still behind, still staggered behind. So a lot of some of my hauls you're still seeing are from last year because of when my computer was down. So, and I was videotaping and I couldn't get stuff loaded, so stuff is still behind. So not all the hauls you see. This is actually my first haul of the year from TM, because my Tuesday morning hasn't had a truck in 2 weeks, so this is the first Tuesday morning haul of the year. But by the time you see this, you may think all the other hauls that you've seen are new, but anyway, they were from last year. So that's why you see so many hauls. I'm trying to catch up all these videos that I was behind, but I just want to jump right in. And I know people have been showing this for a while. This is a repeat, and this was out last year, but anyway, I got it again. It's always a nice one. And these are, I just love the colors, pink, of course, not pink, but red. But pink is with it too, but just, you know, the sentiments. These are your different love stuff, XOs and kisses and stuff like that. And of course the lettering, the Letter It by Ranger. I just love the font, don't we all? So this one is called Encouragement, and it was $2.99. Great deal. It says live, love, laugh, hang in there, hugs, good vibes only. You know, floral, dream and believe in another floral. So for $2.99, and this gorgeous font, you can really send that on a card to anybody. And I love this one. This one is called Rejoice, and this is, you know, you got your little florals there. Rejoice, hope, trust, grace, peace, praise, faith, and bless, and some more little florals. You can use those little accents on any kind of, you know, stamp set, anything that you would stamp, just to add some background. This is Occasions, Deepest Sympathy, Miss Sorrow, I'm You, Thinking Of, Get Well Soon, Just Because, and Thank. And then you have those. And then this is Invitation. You're invited. It's a surprise for a party. Let's celebrate RSVP, date, location, place, time, and then your colon. So again, any type of invitation. They had a couple different stencils. I like this one because of the geometric background, so I got that one. So I'm sure there are other ones that are probably out. These are the ones that I saw. They had lots and lots of Fiskars punches, which you really couldn't beat. I was really excited to find this one because I love the little elephant. You can do so much with that little elephant, especially for baby layouts and stuff like that. So I already have the baby. That's the size of it. Nice size. And this is, it was only $4.99, so you really couldn't beat it for a Fiskars puncher. These are usually like, you know, $15, $20 in Joann's. It says $13, but in Joann's, these are like 20 bucks most of the time. But anyways, a nice size, big punch. I am a punch girl. I love punches, just like I love my dies and I love my Cricut. But I also love the variety of having all three. And punches are quick and fast, so I like that. And then they had three. The regular tag, this is the scalloped on the bottom, and then they had the one with the pennant and the fishtail. And I got this one. I'm debating because I had one of the tag ones. I had the regular, I think it's straight on the bottom, but I'm gonna check which one I have, or the pennant. I think I have the pennant. I have to look and see, but I may take this one back and exchange it for the one with the bevel. I don't know, but it was 3 different designs that they have, and I posted them on IG. So if you're looking for a tag punch, and this also, you know, it also has the hole right here. You can also use it as an eyelet. So even if you don't have a crocodile, this is a cheap and affordable way to get a crocodile. I'm just saying, if you don't have the money and you're starting out, this is $4.99. You can get your eyelets. They come with 20. But if you need some additional eyelets, you can buy those. But this right here will punch it and you can squeeze it. So that is a tip that a lot of people might not be aware of. But it's a cheap way to get you an eyelet for $4.99. So these are worth having, because if anything happens with your handheld crocodile or your big bite or something like that, you have another alternative that a lot of people don't realize. And this is an affordable way to get your crocodile punch. This is a regular standard size hole punch that you would have in your tag. So for an eyelet. So think about that. If you ever thought about, oh, I want to get an eyelet, hole puncher and I don't have one, boom, there you go right there. And it comes with 20. So you can do your brads just like that. I did get a couple pieces of paper. They were $2.99. This one, I really didn't have a theme for it other than, okay, it's diamonds, you know, and how I am about diamonds. So I just got it. Didn't need it, but it does come with 8 sheets of 12 by 12, and then it has a sentiment that you can cut out. And this kind of pertains mainly to relationships because it's all about, well, not all of it. Some of them about diamonds and some about Mr. Mrs. and that kind of stuff. So, but I have some ideas that I think I'm going to use. Not that one as much. And I'm on the fence about this one, so I may take this one back. It was just a couple up here that I like them, but it was just a couple that I thought of something I could do with it. But, so I may take this one back, but it's still cool. This is a story time one. And it comes with a sticker page. So this one came with cut aparts. The diamonds had the cut aparts. Story time has a sticker page. And then this one has a sticker page. And this is a snow day. And I definitely had some ideas of what I wanted to do with this one. And it also has a cut apart page as well of snow related activities. So I will be showing you those projects when I finish those. But anyway, so that is my TM haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless. Bye-bye.